In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install this cargo rack on your Cybervelo electric bike. It installs in less than 10 minutes. A link to the rack is above and also in the description. But before we get started on the install, please like and subscribe, and let's get after it. To install the cargo rack, you're going to need 5mm screws that are 10mm long. You can see they're hex like this. A link to both of these are in the description. And what you'll do is you'll stretch the cargo rack over the back of the frame like that, and then just simply line up the bolt holes and install them. Put them on finger tight for now till you get them all lined up like that. The other side on. Then position the rack where you want. I'm going to push it all the way forward and then just tighten those down like that. There we have it. We got that rack installed.